Hello guys, welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. Today we are diving into Kotlin basics and we will cover in this video variables, data types and the magic of type inference. So the agenda of my video is that after the end of this video you will be familiar with the variable and value keyword in Kotlin and primitive versus non-primitive data types. So let's Kotlin guess your data type by default. So let's discuss two keywords for the data type. First one is like in other languages you write variables in this format: integer age or string name, like this one, and you define the constant like this const int, and you write here suppose number, and the letters of this number are capital due to the const keyword. So this was the syntax which we follow in other languages. So in Kotlin we use val and var. So here you will see that when you will use this val keyword with the variable name, let's suppose here you mentioned the name, and in mentioned you typed here Waqas, and this Waqas is a constant value for this name. If you want to override this value of this name, like name equals to Ali, here you will see an error. Read the error. Val cannot be reassigned, so you cannot change it. So when you will use this val, when you want to define a constant in your program, then you will use this val keyword. When and let's suppose I write here var age is equal to 20. You don't need to put here semicolon like in other languages, and here you will write age is equal to 30. So here you can see that you can override the value of this var. So by default we should use this val by default only when we will use this var. Whenever you will feel necessity, you will use this var. So here let me give you an example for it. Suppose your date of birth is fixed, so you should use val for your dob, and your dob, let's suppose your dob is 19 October, and suppose 1999. So you will use val for that, but for age you will not use this val, because every year your age is increasing. So now let's see what are primitive and non-primitive data types. So primitive data types are optimized data types. Primitive data types are int. In Java, in Python, you have to write int with the capital first letter. So int, and here you will see double, and Boolean and character. These all are primitive data type. So let's suppose you want to make a variable for storing the score. So you want to assign data type for this score, and why you want to declare its data type? Because you want that nobody should enter here anything other than integer. So here I write 100. Similarly, if I want to use like gender, so is male, suppose, so is male is Boolean. So if this is true, it means that t should be small. So here you can see we are defining the data type after putting colon with the variable name. So now what are non-primitive data types? Non-primitive data types are objects, like you can say string, because string is a class, so string is a non-primitive data type. List is a non-primitive data type. Array is a non-primitive data type. So here if I write value message, and this message is of type string, so here I am writing that don't forget to like this video, like this. And similarly I write here numbers, and numbers are of type list, so I will use here list of type int, and here I can store by using a list of function list of. So this list of will give me the list. So that list will have 1, 2 and 3. So these primitive data types are stored efficiently. This int is a primitive data type, and if you write here integer, complete integer, then it means you are using in Java you put complete integer for wrapper classes. So that wrapper classes are slow, and these primitive data types are int, float, double. These all are fast, and these are stored efficiently in the memory space. And keep in your mind that non-primitive data types can be of null type. So let's suppose here I want to store null value. So I am writing here null label string. So this is the variable name. Null label string is a variable name. So here I write string. Here I need to put the question mark and equal to, and here I am writing null. So here it means that now in null label string you can store this null value by putting this question mark here. So similarly for integer, if I write here integer, so null label int and colon, and then I will put here int question mark, and I will put here null. So let's do a small practice problem. We have three numbers like val num1 which will have 10, and val num2 which will have 20, and val num3 that will have 30. And let's suppose I want to print the average for it. So tell me what will be the data type behind this number 1. So automatically type will be inferred as int. Okay, so for all these variables. So let's calculate its average. So average equals to num1 plus num2 plus num3, and that should be divided by 3.0. So it will give us the average. So let me write here print statement. So I will write here print the average of num1 $num2 and $num3 is. So here I use $sign to get the value of the variable. Otherwise, if you will not put here $sign, this num1 will printed as it is. So run it. So guys, here you can see that average is 20, but here you can see num1 is printed as it is. So I will put here $sign to print the value of num1. So here you will see the answer. The average of 10, 20 and 30 is 20.0. So what mistakes a student can made in the program. So if he is writing here value pi equals to 3.14, and here he is reassigning the value as 3.1459. Let's suppose this one. So here compiler will give us error. So and another mistake which a person can do, he is assigning a different data type and then reassigning with a different data type. Suppose here we made a variable num equals to 10, and here you are writing num as 10.5. The data type is also changed here. So that's what I was talking about. So now I am giving you a small challenge. What challenge? You have to declare val for your name, and a var for your age, and a null label string for your favorite programming language. And next time we will conquer control flow with if and when statement and loops. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel if you want to get notification of future videos. So drop your code in the comment section. Let's see your Kotlin basics in action. So for next video, Allah Hafiz, take care. Let's meet again.